Welcome back, my friends. All right, today we're going to discuss what you think your home is worth and what it is actually worth. All right, let's talk about one of the biggest questions homeowners have. What is my home worth? Well, everybody's opinion is different. It's a value of opinion of the day that the home was appraised. But now you might have an idea in your head. Maybe you checked Zillow. Maybe you've looked at what you paid plus the cost of your upgrades that you've just made. Or maybe you just know what you want and what it is worth. So you got all those little things to factor in. Hey, I am Annette Marble, your favorite Key Realty agent in and around Central Ohio. So, all right, here's the truth. All you Zillow people out there, Zillow estimates and online calculations are not always accurate. They do not know the specifics of your neighborhood, the condition of your home, or how your property compares to others that have actually sold. And here's what's important. Cost doesn't always equal value. Just because you spent $20,000 on a kitchen remodel doesn't automatically mean that your home's value increased $20,000. Some upgrades do add value. Others are for your more personal enjoyment. So always call me when you go do those big ROIs. All right, DYIs. What other professionals, realtors, appraisers look at in the market data are recent comparable sales, the location, the condition, the buyer's demand. We go beyond the algorithm to give you the true picture of what buyers in today's markets are willing to pay. That's why I offer a free market evaluation for your home. No guessing, no computer formulas, just real data and expertise tailored directly to your property. So if you're curious about your home and what it's actually worth, send me a message. I'd be happy to walk you through the process and give you a clear idea of what we could sell your home if you're thinking about selling. So if you'd like that free evaluation of your home, please click the link in the description and I will get back with you with that information. It's free and I'm not going to hassle you. Might get some fun postcards or little things in the mail, but I'm not going to bug you. Remember, knowing your home's real value is the first step towards making the right real estate decisions. And don't forget, we are always in and around Central Ohio, and we're always keeping it real here in real estate with Annette Marble and Associates.